Are you adjusting the disc or are you adjusting the vertebrae?
Good detailed question. We're adjusting the vertebrae. By adjusting the vertebrae, we can decompress the disc initially to allow the pressure relief. At that point, your spine normally has movement to keep that pressure in the disc down. When the spine locks up we'll talk about other reasons too, at that point, the spine locks up, the disc over time builds up pressure, and it has to release it somehow. Sometimes it'll bulge out to the nerve root to make that nerve root fire, causing your pain, causing your symptoms, numbness, tingling, whatever it is. At that point, decompress it to minimize those symptoms by causing the motion of the spine.